Person is back today. We are learning more legal expertise with Peterson's Law Office.
Yeah, Justin Peterson joins us now to talk all about it. And Justin, right now we're going into the girls' Sweet 16 this week downtown.
Yes.
Next week it'll be the boys, and then we get into NCAA tournaments.
Yeah, exciting time.
A lot of folks are going to be traveling to these games, so they have to be very aware of their surroundings in these situations, right?
That's true. Yeah, a lot more traffic sometimes can mean some more accidents and things like that, and we hope that doesn't happen, but if it does, we're here to help people out. One of the things we focus on at Peterson Law Office is we try to have a client-centered approach to make sure we're providing the best client service. It's not just about the practice of law, it's also about our client service as well. And so the first question we ask is, how can we help you recover? And recovery to us means a lot more than just getting people money. You see so many advertisements, get what you deserve, we're going to get you the most money and billions of dollars. But the reality is most people don't want that, right? They just want to get better. They want to recover for what happened. And so we try to be there throughout the entire process for them. And so our position on recovery is, let's get you back to where you were, if we can, before the incident.
So right now we are getting closer and closer to spring showers. What are you seeing more of around this time?
We get a lot, not necessarily has to do anything to do with weather, but I don't know why this time of year. We do get a lot of calls about medical malpractice, and it's a very unfortunate situation. Most people really don't know what that means, medical malpractice. They think if they get hurt or harmed by a medical provider, that's a medical malpractice case, and that couldn't be farther from the truth. The reality is there's a lot of bad outcomes in medicine, and we either don't know why, or it's a risk of the procedure or something of that nature. For a medical malpractice case, you have to have a doctor or a physician or the provider itself deviate from a specific standard of care. And that's what a breach in the standard of care is. So it's not just about the bad decision making from the doctor. It has to be really specific. So they were trained to do something and they did something else. For example, some medications are contraindicated. You can't take these two medications at once. But if a doctor gives them to you at the same time and you get harmed, that's a real specific breach. So that would be an example of something that causes an injury that would be a medical malpractice case, if that makes sense.
That's something I never even thought about, was crisscrossing medication like that. Justin, if something like that happens to somebody, God forbid anything like that happen, we all don't want that, but if it does, what do they need to do to get in touch?
Well, first off, just call us at 859-469-6390. You'll be talking to me, you'll be meeting with me. We'll be talking about your case, we'll be talking about your situation, how we can get you on that path of recovery. You can go to our website, you can see our results, you can see what we've done locally. We got some big jury verdicts and things of that nature that we like to show people as well.
Excellent. We appreciate you.
Thank you for being here.